Parts of a plant. The parts are root, stem, fruit, leaf and flower. These are the parts of a plant. Now we know that parts are root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, seeds, and the parts of the plant that we eat are known as edible parts. Next we will discuss the parts that we eat. So if I consider the root, we eat beetroot, carrot, radish, turnip. We basically eat the root part of the plant. In case of sugarcane, potato, ginger, garlic, onion, we eat the stem. In case of spinach, lettuce, fenugreek, we eat the leaves. And in case of apple, pear, tomatoes, grapes, cherries, oranges, etc., we eat the fruits. In case of broccoli, cauliflower, pumpkin, we generally eat the flower. And in case of rice, wheat, maize, pulses, peas, we eat the seeds. Now, some plants have more than one edible parts. That means we can eat more than one edible parts. If I consider the banana, we eat the fruit, the flower and the stem. That means it has 3 edible parts. In case of pumpkin also we eat the fruit, seeds and leaf. In case of mustard we eat the leaf and the seeds. In case of coriander also we eat the leaf and the seeds. Here one table is showing where brinjal curry is a food item. The ingredients required are brinjal, this is the fruit, chili, it is also fruit, oil from groundnut or mustard, soya bean or any other plant. We basically use the seed. If I consider the case of the idli, we require rice and urad dal. Rice is a seed and urad dal is also seed. In case of chicken curry, we use chilies and oil. Chili is the fruit part and oil we may get from groundnut, mustard, soya bean. So this is the seed, we get the oil from the seed. If I consider the example of kheer, rice and sugar we get from the plant. So rice is the seed part and sugar we get from the sugar cane, that means the stem. In case of the roti or chapati, we use flour, that means the atta, and we get the flour from wheat, that means the seed. So there is one activity of sprout formation. For this we require any kind of seed. You may take moong or chana. First take the seed in a container and fill it with water and leave aside for a day. Next day drain the water and wrap the seeds with a piece of wet cloth. Next day we will observe some white color structure from the seeds and these are the sprouts. Next, the honeybees generally collect the nectar, the sweet juice from the flower, and they convert it into honey and store it in their beehives. Now what do the animals eat? There are 3 different types of animal: herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. Herbivore, these are the animal, they generally eat plant or plant products like leaves, fruits, hay and so on. Few examples are goat, cow, horse, sheep, etc. Next is the carnivores. This type of animals generally eat other animals. And examples are lion, tiger, cheetah, etc. One difference between herbivore and carnivore are the herbivore, as they eat the plant, they have flat grinding teeth, and as the carnivore they generally eat the flesh of other animal, so they have sharp teeth. Next is the omnivore. They eat both plants and animals. Few examples are sparrow, crow, bear, etc. Thank you.